Hey everyone, welcome back to Hurricane Web. In this video, we are going to learn how to add this particle as background in HTML project. So without further ado, let's get started. For our project, we need to create 3 files. So let's create one by one. Index.html and then styles.css and lastly script.js. So in our index.html, first we'll link our CSS, and that is styles.css. And then for add particle background in our project, we need to add this tsParticles bundle. So we need to copy it and paste it here below the styles.css. And then in our body, we need to type tsParticles and then content, and inside content we'll create a h1 tag and the class name will be main title, and here we can give text as welcome to my flag face, and then we'll give a v tag, and here we'll give class as description, and here we can give text as this is a visual representation with animated particles in the background and a flag below. Below our content, we need to add flag, and inside flag we'll use 3 div. In the first one class will be green div, and then second one will be white div, and then third one will be red div. So after that we'll add our script file, and here as source we'll give script.js, which is our script file. Save it. So our index.html is ready, and then we'll add CSS for our project. Here we need to type body, margin 0, padding 0, font family sans serif, and then text align center, color white, position relative, and z index 1, and then we'll give a style to our tsParticles. Here position will be fixed with 100%, height 100%, and then z index -1, and then we'll give a style to our content. Here position will be relative, z index 2, and padding 50 pixel, 20 pixel, and 20 pixel, and then we'll give a style to our main title. Here font size will be 4 rem, and margin bottom will be 20 pixel. After that we'll use style in our description. Here font size will be 1.5 rem, max width will be 600 pixel, and margin will be 0 auto, and then we will use a style for our flag. So here position will be fixed, width will be 100%, height 100%, and display will be flex. And then for our green div, flex 1, and similarly for white and red div, will be same. So save it. And for our script.js, we need to copy this. I will add the document link in the description so you guys can copy it from there, and then we'll paste it here and save it, Ctrl S. And let's go to our index.html. So here we did some mistake in our HTML file. So in our tsParticles, flag, green div, white div, and red div, those all will be not class, it will be ID. And then save it. Let's run the project and let's see how it's look. So here we can see particles are moving in our HTML project's background. Now if we want to customize our particles, we can do it from our tsParticle elements inside. Now here, if we want to speed up our particles, then we need to go to move, and from here speed 2 to 5, and then save it, and let's see how it's look. So here we can see our particles are moving very fast, or if we want to make it more slow, then we can use 1 and then save it, and we can see that our particles are moving very slowly, which also looks good. So, and then if we want to make our particles more dense, then we can use here 500 and save it, and let's see how it's look. So here we can see there are more particles in our background, which also looking a little bit laggy. So let's make it 300 again, or if you guys want to reduce it more, you guys can do it. Let's make it, for example, 100 and save it. So it's showing more or less. And then if we use 200 and save it, so it's look like this. So let's make it 300 again and then save it. And then if we want to change color of our particles, then we can do it from here. So let's make the red one to a different color, to 1AFF0, and then save it, and let's see how it's look. So here we can see the blue particles, and if we want to make it for all the particles, and then we can do it like this and then save it. So here we can see the blue particles. That's how we can change the colors of our particles. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.